Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to reduce background noise during phone call on iPhone. So actually it is very quick and easy. I'll show you how to do that, but you need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So first of all, we need to make a call to someone. So for example, I'm calling to this guy, and as you can see, when he responds, we can go back to our home screen and just simply slide through the top right corner of our screen to see additional options. Now in the top side of the screen we can find our mic with the phone controls. So click on it, on this orange button, and choose here from automatic you need to choose voice isolation. So basically it will remove some noise from your mic and your voice will sound better. The next thing I'll suggest you to do is go back and open settings on your device. Now scroll down just a little until you will find accessibility and click on it. Now scroll down the accessibility options until you will find audio and visual and click on it. Now scroll down and find add voice isolation and turn it on. So basically it will also improve your microphone and your sounding will be better. So no noise and no some additional sounds when you are speaking to someone. And basically that is it. That is how you can reduce background noise during phone calls on iPhone. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.